so happy that you're here.
We are vlogging every day from Thanksgiving to Christmas this year because all of you fundraised. Oh my gosh, I just realized I have chocolate all over this sweatshirt for the American Cancer Society. And this is clean. So that is stained. And this is like our favorite. We got this for Disneyland fundraising earlier this year. Covered in chocolate alongside our Team Determination logo. Because you guys fundraised for Team Determination. That's why we're vlogging right now. Me and Charlie are upstairs in the loft. I'm gonna get some laundry folded. Peter ran to Publix with the boys. Grocery shopping this week, we really just focused on the week leading up to and our Thanksgiving meal. So we're kind of in need of like a bigger grocery haul. But just for today, he's gonna go grab a couple of things with the boys. And yeah, that's where they are. We actually have been doing like a Saturday Sabbath situation where we kind of catch up, just relax at home. And that's kind of like what our Saturdays have been lately, like just recharging, doing any little things that we've been meaning to do around the house. So that's what today is going to be. I have some laundry to fold, like I said, and we might hang some stuff in Charlie's nursery because we haven't gotten around to that yet. So that, and yeah, just enjoying home. That's what we do on Saturdays.
All right. Publix is finally catching up. We pretended like we were in the city and we got ours from a parking lot. Yeah, let's get a small tree for upstairs, okay? Does this one look nice? This one?
Yes.
Can you hold on to it?
No.
Oh no.
Put in the store.
Oh gosh.
Put in the store.
You're crammed by the tree, Jamesy. Best part about Publix is the kids' cookies. Get some sprinkles and go shopping.
Yeah, I just placed an order for these attractions posters for Charlie's nursery. We've had this idea for this Magic Kingdom themed nursery forever. I'm so excited. So these will just be like little 8x10 prints that go up. We've actually had the other pieces for a while. We don't have like pillows or like new linens or anything like that. So it's not gonna be like a full-blown makeover, but there's nothing on the walls right now. So it'll be a big difference come the end of the day. Are you in a basket? Did you bring home a Christmas tree from Publix? Is little.
Like this.
Yeah, we have a star for it. It's gonna go in the loft. Look at this cozy kid having his bum over here. I turned the corner to find the star. And he's just relaxing. Dance break.
Stop, big Charlie.
Everybody is wearing leftover clothes from yesterday. So we had a couple of errands to run for our catch-up day, including getting those prints picked up for Charlie's bedroom. That was kind of like now like our evening goal, and I'm really excited about it. So we decided to just bring everyone in the car in case, and they did fall asleep. So Peter's just running into one of the stores. He actually saw something on TikTok. This was not on our original plan for the day, but hopefully he will be successful because he saw it on TikTok of something at Marshall's. But Marshall's is just like so hit or miss. So while he's in there, he's also going to look for a new lampshade and maybe at the bedding for Charlie's little room refresh. You might be able to hear snoring. But luckily they just fell asleep, so hopefully we'll be able to get back home and like transfer into their beds. We knew that this was a possibility, and that's why we made it a family event. So yeah, we're kind of like doing nap time and errands at the same time today. Willpower is being this close to Portillo's and not getting anything. Marshall's did not have Peter. He's looking for this Lord of the Rings mug, so maybe TJ Maxx will have it. It was a long shot, but the thrill of the possibility and like potentially finding it would be worth it. And we're in the area. Any luck?
No luck, but we did find new drinkware.
Yeah.
Desperate need it for a long time.
Yeah. So we got drinkware, and we started our Christmas shopping.
We did a whole lot besides finding milk, but that's okay.
Everybody's here to start the nursery transformation. They're climbing the ladder.
James, what do you think? Teddy?
Do you remember this from your old room?
Look at dinosaur
Okay, let's put some hats on this bad boy.
We got our space helmet. What do we think?
It's good for a moment, and they end up like...
Yeah, securing it.
Securing it.
Oh, and there's a little fuzz on that, but got Peter Pan's hat. Do on the bottom right.
This one?
Yeah, we're doing it in the order of the map. So like Tomorrowland is all the way to the right. Dapper Dan hat. Space helmet took a tumble. Would it be better on the lower one?
Probably.
Or do you think it'd be better to hang it upside down off that lid?
I'm still gonna have to, I'm gonna have to do some kind of securing, so
Yeah.
which way would you like it? Would you like how we had it originally?
Yeah. So we got the raccoon hat. Or do we put the Main Street in the middle? Here. Yeah, so this makes them all level.
How cute.
Yeah, so these are all the hats. These are all on level. I did picture them like
Yeah.
off kilter. Yeah, I actually really do think I like it like this. I mean, I think we need to, I think I need to live with it. I think we need to like, I have yellow ribbon to add to the Dapper Dan hat, and we might need to fluff the Peter Pan hat. This hat is super cool because it's my dad's actual hat, but it like gives Jungle Cruise vibes, and it has your pale Mickey Mouse autographed on it, and it says the Mick, which my dad had tattooed on his arm because he was like, it was a play on him being Irish, but also a Mickey Mouse fan. Alrighty, now the attractions posters are up. We picked Haunted Mansion because there wasn't any Liberty Square representation in the hats. And then Dumbo is all of the boys' first rides at Disney, and People Mover is our favorite. Alrighty, here's somewhat of our reveal. We do need a few more things. So there's the hats. We have like the same, we got the same bookshelf that the boys have in their room. Our castle canvas up there. And then up here, I think we're gonna get like, it's pretty dusty up there. So like, again, we're not totally finished, but there's the Mickey Mouse ears. This is a bank. Here are Alice in Wonderland books. I think we're gonna get like a little model train to put up there. I think that would go nicely just with like, you know, obviously around the Magic Kingdom. We still need to get a blackout curtain and to move the center, so that'll make a difference. We have our mobile, the attractions posters. This is a Marceline, Missouri blanket. I don't like whatever blanket we get. I don't want it to be cheesy, but this isn't necessarily like Magic Kingdom. I mean, it's obviously goes with like the Walt and the history and stuff, but that's just kind of existed in here. And then we have our banner. I think we might just keep the same sheet, which is just like little polka dots. And then I really do like the color of these sheets, and even that, like I like that color palette. So, and I was thinking of getting like more of a gingham. We kind of needed to like see how everything was. We didn't want it to be too busy, but I'm thinking just like a simple gingham quilt, maybe even just a cover for this blanket. I don't know. And then those pillows those are from the new couch downstairs that have just kind of existed in here as we like lay with Charlie to put him back down at night. This has kind of just been like whatever goes. So, I mean, this is just like simple enough for right now. It doesn't like clash. And then this lampshade has definitely seen better days. So we need to get a lampshade. But it feels so much just more put together. I mean, everything was very simple before. So it's not like it looked like unfinished. This just brought a new little life to the room. So I changed out the ribbon to be the yellow on the Main Street hat. I think I like it across. I think I'm digging it. So I'll do a little zoom out. Simple, but just like iconic little pieces. And then with the lights off, so cozy with just the lamp. Just the perfect little bit of pixie dust. This is like literally just for bottles in the middle of the night. It feels so good. I wanted this to happen before, at least before like he moved from the bassinet in here. And so my heart is very, very happy to finally see like the whole idea happen. Also very important that we will be putting the fire alarm back up before bedtime. No worries. No worries there. Here are the new glasses we got from Marshalls. Aren't they just so stinking cute? Featuring more Thanksgiving leftovers for dinner. And because I hadn't made Peter's drink yet, I'll make it right here. So I started with ice. We made this homemade cranberry syrup. I'll put the TikTok in the description. So I'm gonna put that over the ice. And then ginger beer. This stuff from Aldi's super spicy, but it's tasty, so not a ton. And then just topped with this cherry limeade sparkling water. Whoa. And give it a little twirl with a festive straw. I got a T-Rex in my nose. Oh, gosh. We're having a little movie night in the loft. We're watching Moana. Oh my goodness. We have our little tree up here. Silly boys. And we're hopefully gonna see Moana 2 this week. Okay, look how cozy this place is. So Charlie, I talked about this in yesterday's vlog, kind of sniffly, but during the day was like, all right. Like I thought it was the fluke. He napped fine. I don't know. When I'm feeling crummy, I always feel worse at night. I'm just hopeful that he just feels better. We're still tired from last night because we didn't get great sleep last night either. 10 minutes to midnight, and we got advent calendars ready to set up. We're at a stage in life where we got to get 2 of everything. These look really cool.
I would have. I wish I had this as a kid.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Yeah. For many reasons, I hope that Charlie is not ill. It is our 16-year dating anniversary tomorrow, which is crazy because we were 16 years old when we started dating. Peter turned 17 like very soon after. Your birthday is very soon. So it's not like truly half of our lives yet, but we're very close to that milestone. And we have plans, but nothing like, I don't know. We'll just have to, again, see how he goes.
after all these years?
Never.
When I hit half of our life, are you gonna kick me to the curb?
It is good to be home.
Good to be home.
Wait. There were 2 questions in the comments. I've been trying to do comments, like questions. Somebody had asked if my sisters still live in Florida, and Christina does not live in Florida anymore. Her and Grant and the kids, they all live back in the Midwest in northwestern Indiana, very close to my other sister, Jenna. So they're up there. Florida simply just was not for them. And somebody asked if they play Frozen 2 music at the entryway of Epcot. And it's actually the music from Olaf's Frozen Adventure, which is a short, it's on Disney Plus. It's the best, like one of our favorite things ever. So it's very holiday centric, tradition centric. It's lovely. I actually like that music is in the Magic Kingdom parade for the Christmas party and the fireworks now, and in the Hollywood Studios stage show. They're loving it because it's amazing. But those are some questions. So if you happen to have any other questions that I haven't happened to update during Vlogmas so far, feel free to put them in the comment section, and hopefully I'll remember to answer them. Also, always in the description is our American Cancer Society fundraiser. Our next fundraiser is for Chicago Marathon of next year. So if you feel so inclined to share it or to donate, that is always in the description. Alrighty, now it is good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.